You might be wondering, why am I sitting here with my pajamas in a Sunday morning? Um, that's what I do every Mother's Day Sunday morning. I get up in the morning. I even before having my first cup of tea, I would ring my mum, wish her happy Mother's Day, then get on with my day. Um, Today, once again, it's the same as any other last four Mother's Day, and that there's no chance for me to ring her and wish her happy Mother's Day. As of today, I haven't heard her voice. 3 years, 23 days. I'm not alone. Many Uyghur children like myself and our parents, mums still alive, and yet some of us, we just cannot talk to them, or we don't even know whether they're alive or dead. And even the one who's alive, who, you know, able to talk to their own children, they cannot talk to them freely. I have received interesting notes from some of my friends. Parents in a really a despair situation, and expressing their suicidal ideation. For me, it's alarming. Um, I learned from my very simple mother, Uyghur moms. Okay, we do not suicide. Uyghur moms never ever give up on their lives unless there's something serious happen. They push to the corner, push down to the leather, where there's no way, there's no place to move, and no place to survive. That's the only circumstance they might choose death instead of continuously being humiliated. That humiliation could be worse than death. That's the only situation. Now, I really want to question the governments around the world. I know we're in a coronavirus pandemic. Even prior to pandemic, we cried, we yelled, we seek help for nearly 3 years. We did not hear any one positive action. Now, we're all in the same basket, we're all in the same boat. We're in a crisis. We've been in this crisis for more than 3 years. Now, coronavirus is going to be end. It's going to be over. But the struggle of Uyghur children like myself and their families, it's going to continue. It's going to be there for us to keep carrying on and on. Now, I have a very simple message to His Excellency Liu Xiaoming, the Chinese ambassador to UK, and His Excellency Chen Jingye, and the Chinese ambassador to Australia. Two of you live in the Western world. Surely you understand little bit, not if you I don't say it's too much, a little bit Western value and how people think, how people do things here. Now, I will ask you, please ring your mother, wish them happy Mother's Day. If you don't have one, if they pass away, teach your own children, ring their mums or talk to their mums, wish them happy Mother's Day. Now, last thing, this is my mother. She's got 3 children, 6 grandchildren, live outside China. None of them can talk to her because she's in a refugee inside her homeland. She has a home, cannot return. Can you hear that? Do you understand the situation under your administration? So, one last thing, but not the least, stop talking bullshit. Be honest with yourself. Then you feel much better when you sleep at night. Now, don't forget, teach your own children to ring their mothers and wish them Happy Mother's Day. And that's how you teach your children humanity. And you took away that opportunity from me. I cannot teach my child to ring their grandma, wish them Happy Mother's Day. Neither myself. You took away that rights from me.